work live artifacts, and this completely changes how I'm using it. And I genuinely think not enough people are talking about
I almost quit Claude because I thought this was all it could do.
our computer. Let me now show you exactly how you can begin using this right now and exactly how this works. First of all, make sure you have the Claude desktop app downloaded. You will not be able to access this unless you're in the desktop app. So if you haven't downloaded it, there is a link in the description to do so. Once we have the desktop app downloaded and we open it up, we're going to see this interface right here.
Then I downloaded the desktop app just to test it. I found this tiny checklist icon in the corner. I clicked it. A whole new world opened up that I didn't know existed.
They recently redesigned this, so in order to access cowork mode, which is where we need to be inside of to try this out, is we need to come over here and toggle on this cowork button. It has this little to-do list checklist thing. So click on this and we're gonna see this interface. We need to make sure to select whichever working folder we want to add. So if you don't have one already, you could come here and create a different folder.
And the second I connected my first app, everything changed overnight.
Minutes that automatically updates without me needing to refresh it. Now, this is all great being able to generate live artifacts, but there's no point honestly in being able to do this unless we're pulling from our actual information across our apps. So here's exactly how we set this up in a couple of simple steps. So we're going to come over on the left-hand sidebar and click on customize. If we don't see this sidebar, make sure to open this little icon right here, and then we will see customize right under dispatch.
Then I found this little connectors tab hiding in the sidebar. I clicked Gmail. I clicked calendar. Suddenly Claude could see my whole life without me lifting a finger.
And then from here, we click on connectors, which is below the skills. And here we could add our different applications. You could see I have a couple of different ones configured here. We would just come here, click on browse connectors, and we could go ahead and add all these different ones. Let me just add Google Drive, for example. All I need to do is click on continue to grant.
But connecting apps was nothing compared to what I did next.
So you're probably asking, how do I create these live artifacts? So here's how you do it right now. You're just going to come over to new task. And for example, I'm just going to say, hey, create me a dashboard that automatically categorizes all of my different emails with the ones I need to respond to. And then also breaks down all the different meetings I have in Google Calendar. On top of that, can you also add different bit.ly tracking information so I could see?
One night I just talked to Claude like a friend. I said, build me a dashboard for my whole morning. 2 minutes later, it was done. I sat there, staring at my screen like a cartoon character.
Which video links are getting the majority of clicks? I want this to be my daily operating system, so I never have to go and manually go through these different applications.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
I could just look at this dashboard and have it be my mainly daily operating system. So I'm just giving it that brain dump right there. I'm just using Whisperflow in order to, speak to my computer and automatically dump that into Claude.
But the real shock came when I saw where Claude saved it.
Right here, and we could begin using any of those tools we configured inside of that server. Then in order to see all the live artifacts that you've created on the left-hand sidebar, you should see them right here. You can see obviously my daily operating system that I showed you. And then also there is a button up here where you can click live artifacts.
I checked every single chat. Nothing. Then I looked at the left sidebar. There it was, sitting there like a good little dog, waiting for me. Every dashboard I ever made, all in one spot.
And this shows all of the different artifacts that you have created, as well as you can click new artifact and create one from here. And it even adds these different prompts here to give you ideas of specific live artifacts you can create. So for example, this one right here says, what needs my attention? You click that.
That's when it hit me. I wasn't just using an app anymore. I was running my own command center. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.